Hey, SkyPilot here, welcome to my channel. I've just been doing a little bit of kayaking and redfin fishing out in the reservoir. I'm going to take out the Rekon 6, go for a fly around, show you guys exactly where I was fishing and what a beautiful spot this is here. Haven't posted any videos for a little while. I do apologise for that, I've been a little bit ill. However, back up and running again. Rekon 6, 1850 on the roof. I have the Firefly X Lite on top there, hopefully recording, and hopefully no one's going to bother me because I'm not terribly sure that I can fly here, but we'll soon find out. "13 satellites, pretty sure I've done all the checks I need to do. Let's get flying. Let's do a bit of a hover around to start with. I'm hoping the camera's set as it should be. Hopefully, if I was going to fail safe, I would have done it by now. Yeah, so this is the Micro-Nano reservoir. You have to excuse the strange noises I'm making. There's a lot of flies around here. My fishing buddy was here somewhere too. I'll see if I can find him. I certainly don't want to lowball anybody who doesn't know what I'm doing, because that would be quite rude. Fairly certain that's him there. I can't go too low because the canopy of the trees causes me to lose signal, so I don't actually want to go too low there. So there's the launch over there. As you can see, there is a ton of algae here. There's the launch, a little bit of algae to go through, and this is where we go paddling all the way up here. I'll see if I can get some altitude and fly right over to the actual weir itself. As I said, this is like a massive dam. I'm 540 metres from home. Yeah, Rekon 6, good for well over a kilometre. There's a bit of break up there. I do have a spiral antenna on, which is fairly directional, so I do need to spin my head around a little bit. Okay, 900 metres. I think we won't push for too much further than a kilometre. There we go. Right, maybe a little bit more. I probably don't have the correct antenna on, but you can see the actual dam over there in the distance. So you can see there's a fairly huge area that you can kayak around here. It's really good. 1.2 kilometres. Sorry, there's a fly right on my nose. Okay, let's spin them around. I think 1.3 k's is certainly far enough for me. I do need to keep my height up because there are some power lines just over here somewhere. Certainly wouldn't want to go looking for my quad in the trees down there, that's for sure. Lucky I have a GPS rescue failsafe on, so if I do happen to lose it, We'll fly straight back home again, which is pretty cool. Wouldn't mind going down to the water's edge to do a bit more filming, so I might just walk down where I'm out from the rear of the trees there, so I can get some nice footage. I'll be able to find a couple of kangaroos. Okay, I'll be back in a jiff. Can't fly too close up here because there is actually a camera here. Oh, there it is there. Rightio. Might be some kangaroos or some brown snakes in here. Gotta be careful. Oh, there's one there. Thinking Roo, trying to sneak up on me, mate. Yeah, good one. Yeah, I see you. There's another one there, another one there. Hello? Hello, Skip. What? Oh, you're sleeping. Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were sleeping. Okay. See you later, Skip. Bye-bye. I'm afraid I disturbed their slumber. Well, there's a big lad down there too. I'm filming down here, kangaroo. You're going to have to leave. Well, off you go. Oh, you tried to sneak up on me, that one. It's cheeky bugger. Yeah, cheeky bugger, aren't you? Huh? I can hear something vibrating. I may need to bring it home. I'm not too sure what that is. Okay. Quick flight anyway, guys. Find somewhere to set it down. Preferably not in the water. Do a nice kill mid-flight landing. Somewhere soft over here should be good. Or maybe I should just go for a quick explore, see if I can't find myself a couple of kangaroos. Don't think the antennas are going to like this too much. Of course, HG0 would perform very well in this canopy, but a normal 2.4 doesn't. No, there's one of them now. There he is. Hey, kangaroo. Well, it's only fair, they did sneak up on me after all. I think that's all. Okay, let's land. Perfect landing, perfect day. Lots of kangaroos. Rekon 6, one of my favourites. Thank you. Rekon 6, one of my favourites. 1850 4S works really well on here. Yeah, 15 minutes odd flight time, and in conjunction with the Firefly X, awesome package. Links down below, folks. Questions? Absolutely. Again, I'll see you real soon in the sky. Bye for now. Ooh. That's my kangaroo. come in peace.